Good morning, everyone. My name is Sheetal, and today I'll be walking you through an analysis of novamart recent promotion campaign. As you know, novamart is a key player in the FMCG sector, providing everything from daily groceries to personal care items. We have taken a deep dive into the performance of two major festival campaigns, Diwali and Sankranti, and I'm excited to share what we found. Let's get started. Before we jump into the insights, a quick word on how we did this. The analysis was built using Python with the libraries like Pandas for data handling, Seaborn and Matplotlib for creating the visualizations. We worked with the four main data tables covering the campaigns, products, stores, and sales events, which gave us a complete picture to work from. So, our analysis was guided by 7 key questions from the client. Let's go through each of their requests and our findings one by one. So, the first one is visualize the number of stores in each city, identify the city with the most stores, and explain the distribution of stores across the other cities. How does the number of stores in Bengaluru compare with those in the Hyderabad and Chennai? We can see the graph here, and the takeaway is clear. Bengaluru is their stronghold with the highest number of stores, that is 280. Hyderabad and Chennai also show a strong presence as you would expect from major metros. However, smaller cities like Trivandrum and Vijayawada have significantly fewer stores, that is around 80 stores. This suggests a clear opportunity for growth, possibly through tailored marketing or expansion in these areas. So the next one is analyze the total quantity sold after promotion for Sankranti campaign across different product categories. What percentage does each category contribute to the overall sales, and what insights can be drawn from their contribution? So here, according to the pie chart, the results are very straightforward. Groceries and staples are unsurprisingly the biggest contributors. Home care and appliances sit in the middle with a solid moderate share. The categories with the smallest slices, like personal care and combo 1, point to the areas where different strategies might be needed to boost their performance. And the next is examine the correlation between the base price and sales quantities. What insights can be drawn regarding the relationship between base price and sales quantities after their promotion? Looking at the correlation heat map, we found only a weak link between the final price and the quantity sold. This tells us that for this campaign, price wasn't the main driver. Factors like brand loyalty, the festival itself, and the promotion type were likely more important in convincing customers to buy. The fourth one, analyze the distribution of quantity sold before the promotion for each product category. What patterns or trends do you observe across these categories, and how could these insights inform future promotional strategies? So, the key insight here is promotions drove a strong sales increase for combo 1, grocery and staples, home appliances, and home care. However, personal care was the exception, showing no growth or slight decline, showing these tells us our current promotional strategies are not working for personal care, and we need a dedicated plan to understand and fix this. Next is analyze the incremental sold units percentage across various cities. Identify the city with highest ISU after the promotion and the city with the smallest change. What trends can be observed about the effectiveness of the promotion in driving sales across these cities? As we can see that here the Madurai is the top performer, and the Vishakhapatnam has the lowest ISU percentage. The clear implication here is that we should think about optimizing the promotional budget, investing more in high response cities like Madurai, and rethinking the approach for cities like Vishakhapatnam. And the next one is analyze the relationship between incremental revenue and incremental sold units for different promotion types in Hyderabad. Which promotion type led to the highest incremental sold units, and which one generated the highest incremental revenue? What insights can you draw from the balance between the two matrices for the city? We have plotted a scatter graph here and found a really interesting split. BOGOF, buy one get one free, was a champion at moving volume, driving the highest number of units sold. However, the 500 cashback offer was the clear winner when it came to generating actual revenue. So the choice of promotion depends on the goal. BOGOF for the market share, cashback for profitability. And the seventh one is analyze the revenue before and after promotions across different product categories in Bengaluru. What trends can be identified in the performance of each category, and how did promotions impact overall revenue in the city? As we can see clearly, the standard story is Combo 1, which saw a massive revenue increase. The other core categories saw only a slight change. Most concerning is personal care, which actually saw a decline. This reinforces our earlier finding that this category needs immediate attention in this key market. So, to bring it all together, our first promotions were major success for combo deals and core categories in key cities. Second, we consistently see personal care as an underperformer that needs a new strategy. And finally, the effectiveness of promotions varies greatly by city and type. Moving forward, a more tailored data driven approach will be key to maximizing both sales and revenue. So, yeah, thank you. And if any questions, please feel free to comment.